The Nextbase 622GW dashcam delivers ultra-clear 4K recording at 30 frames per second, ensuring that every detail is captured with stunning clarity. With its innovative What 3 Words integration, this dashcam can pinpoint your exact location globally, even without data, providing an extra layer of security. Equipped with image stabilization technology, the 622GW minimizes vehicle vibrations for smooth and crystal clear footage, capturing crucial details effortlessly. The enhanced night vision and extreme weather mode utilize advanced sensors to improve image quality in low light and foggy conditions, keeping you safe in challenging environments. Alexa integration allows you to control the dash cam hands-free, offering access to countless skills and services for a seamless driving experience. The dual-band Wi-Fi capability ensures that your video footage is quickly and easily transferred to your smartphone, enhancing convenience and connectivity.